What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create crypto account in Telegram. Well, the process for that is very simple. First things first, you need to understand that what is crypto account in Telegram. So in Telegram, you can make a crypto wallet which works like a normal crypto wallet, and people say that this is your crypto account as well. So to get that, you just have to go to Telegram. So I'm just gonna search for Telegram, and then I will go to this Telegram web. And the Telegram web, I will simply log into my account. Once I'm logged in, you just have to go to this search section. In the search section, search for wallet. Now searching for wallet will bring up these options. As you can see, my wallet is already set up. So I'm just going to show you how you will be able to do it. So I'm just going to delete it, and this is how it will look. I'll search for wallet once again, and then this is how it will look. Here you just have to click on this start button, and there you go. Your wallet is open. Click on this open wallet. You will be able to get access to your crypto wallet right here in Telegram. Now, this is also called as your Telegram wallet or your Telegram crypto account. So that's very much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.